Go.
Hi everyone, Miss Lobkovich back again. Yay! Okay, again, we are working with decimals again today for math, and it is a review. We have done this together in whole group, so I just want to make sure that you guys are taking your time and getting this done and understanding, because there's decimals in everything we do in adult life. We have decimals, okay? So it's important that you understand. Sometimes you might have only $20 and you need to go to the supermarket and you need to get food. And you can estimate how much money each thing costs, and to determine if you're going to have enough money to buy what you want. Okay, so today is supermarket math. Hey, supermarket math. I'm gonna write down a problem and hopefully give you some time, because we've done this a time or two. I will do the first one. I'll model it. Then I'll give you one on your own. When I go to the store, I need to get 3 apples. And they're $1.25 each. Ooh, those are some expensive apples. All right, and I'm going to buy a loaf of bread. And a loaf of bread, we're gonna say, oops, I gotta spell right. A loaf of bread is, say, $2.05. And because I'm me, I'm gonna get a chocolate bar. I better make that 2, because I don't ever walk out with one. Chocolate bar. And that is $1.05 each. Okay. So, there's several ways you could do this, but remember when we talked about writing your problem vertically and keeping your decimal points lined up. So I'm going to start here. I need 3 apples at $1.25. So I'm going to go $1.25 3 times, because I'm getting 3 of them. And remember, we're working with money, even though I didn't write it down. We got to remember, we're working with money. We put that $sign. Then I only need a loaf. That's loaf. That's singular at $2.05. So I'm going to come down here and I put $2.05. Keeping that decimal all lined up. And the last items, 2 chocolate bars at $1.05 each. They are really good, by the way. So I'm going to put $1.05 twice. Now, I'm going to be mean on this one, but I don't want you to use a calculator with this, because you guys can do this. Okay, later on this week, there is an assignment that I will allow you to use your calculator on, but I know you all can count by 5s. So let's do this together. We're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Don't you be writing down 30 down here. Nope, nope, nope. We can't do that. 0 goes down, carry that 3 up. Again, I know all of you can count by 2s, so let's start with counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6. Oh, now we got to add 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put the 9 down. Bring that decimal point straight down. Let's start with 2, because I like to start with the bigger number. We're going to go like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, that $sign, $7.90. That is a pretty cheap grocery store exercise for me. I never get out that cheap of the grocery store. All right. So this one, I'm going to write down some items. I want you to try to figure out how to solve it, and then we will come back together and talk through and solve the problem together. All right. I'm going to McDonald's today, because you know I like my food. I'm getting a shake, like $2.95, we'll say. I am going to get, I like their pies. I'm going to get 2 of those. And they're usually $1 each. You know, give or take a little, but today they're going to be $1. And I'm going to get a value meal. Those chicken tenders, they're real expensive, but I like them. So that is $7.62, we're going to say. All right. So remember, decimal points lined up. Go ahead and take the time, use that pause button, and solve this on your own. Are you good?
Yeah.
Still taking? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you did it.
No, you don't
All
pause.
Malfunction on Lobkovich's end, but we're good. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and solve that. Hopefully you paused your button. I'm gonna go ahead and go $2.95. I'm only doing 1 of them, although some days I could use 2. I'm gonna go 2 pies at $1 each is the key. So, how many am I going to put down?
2.
2. Nice job, Hannah. It's kind of awkward talking to myself here. And then my extra value chicken meal, $7.62. I'm going to do what, Hannah?
Add them.
Adam, nice job. Okay, so we're going to do the first column. 5, 6, 7. 9 and 6 is what?
15.
15.
Carry
So
the
we're gonna
1.
Carry that 1 up. Nice job. Okay, let's add this column. We're going to start with the big number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm hoping all of you have $12.57. Now, if somebody told me my bill was $1,257 at McDonald's, I would be, no way is that food worth that. There is a big difference between $12.57 and $1,052, just like there's a big difference between $1.25 and can we have 257 cents?
No.
No. So there's a big difference. So the importance of keeping your decimal point lined up, okay? Now, in today's activity, we are going to the supermarket. I know I used McDonald's as an example, but same thing goes for the supermarket. You go and you buy an onion and a couple oranges and a bag of chips, okay? Again, you're going to line those decimal points up and add those things up, okay? So, no calculator, okay? Because I'm going to know because you're going to show your work. So I will be able to tell whether you did it with a calculator or with your smart little brain in there, okay? So, today's exercise looks like this. That's my fine handwriting there, okay? There's only 4 problems, you guys. You guys got this, okay? Get this done. Either rewrite your answers, do what you got to do, send it to us, or you can use the tools on Seesaw and send it to us that way. See you tomorrow.